Namaste. Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. This yoga practice is especially for chefs and people who stand and work for long period of time. Thank you, Chef Jeff, for requesting this video. This will not only help you, but many other people as well. Thank you so much again. Before getting started, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. You may sit in a blanket or cushion for your comfort. Hands at the heart forming Namaste. Back is straight and eyes are closed. Take few deep breaths. Be conscious of your body and mind. Relax your shoulders. Be aware of your normal breath, how you feel, energized or tired, sore or tight, relaxed or stressed. You may find some motion in your hands and release them to be in the knees. You are still observing your body and being aware of the sensations running through your body. Observe your breath, how it comes and goes away. Inhale deep and exhale full. Gently roll your shoulders up to the ears and back. Inhale while you are up and exhale while down. Change the direction. Inhale up, exhale down. Stretch your neck to the right. Hold, come back to the center and to the left. Hold and to the center. To the left. To the right. Close your eyes and gently rotate your head clockwise and counterclockwise directions. Send your both hands forward, open and close the palms, roll your wrists. Your fingertips touches the shoulders at the front and sideways as well. Now place your hands at the back to support your body and legs. Legs straight to the front and find some gentle motion in your legs. Rotate your feet and stretch them forward and back. Back in the seated pose. Inhale deep and gently twist your upper body to right, hinged at your hips, and place your right hand on the back and left on the right knee. Exhale and pull them back to the center. Another side. Inhale, gently twist your upper body to left. Exhale, pull them back to the center. Now interlace your fingers and press the palms forward. Your arms and hands are stretched. Take deep breaths and try to calm down yourself. You may find some motion in your hands by pressing them up. Inhale, up, come to the center. Exhale, bend to the right. And left. Feel the gentle stretches. Up. Exhale to release. Now place your left hand on your side. Inhale, raise right hand straight above, pushing to the left. See your palm above. Your neck is firm. Feel the stretches on your side. Hold on for few seconds, pushing to the left as much as possible. Exhale, release the hands to be on the left knee and change the hands. Inhale, right hand on right side and left hand raised straight up, pushing to the right. Hold, exhale and release the left hand to be on the left knee. one more. Left hand is raised, pushes to the right. Hold and release is to be on the right knee. Lower your head and feel the gentle stretches throughout your upper body. Enjoy the moments and feel your presence here. Breathing is normal. Slowly raise your head and release your hands. Repeat. Now place your right hand on your side. Inhale, raise left hand straight above, pushing to the right. See your palm above, your neck is firm. Feel the stretches on your side. Hold on for few seconds, pushing to the right as much as possible. Exhale, release the hand to be on the right knee. Inhale, left hand on left side. Right hand raised straight up, pushing to the left. Hold. Exhale and release the right hand to be on the left knee. Lower your head and feel the gentle stretches throughout your upper body. Enjoy the moments and feel your presence here. Slowly raise your head and release your hands. Be on a tabletop for cat to cow pose. Adjust yourself. Inhale, remain neutral. Exhale, move into cat. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat for cow. Lift your chin and chest and gaze upwards. Next, move into a cat. As you exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back towards the ceiling. Inhale, coming back into cow pose. Then exhale as you return to cat pose. You may repeat this for a couple of more times. Then step your hands to the front. Adjust yourself. Inhale. Slowly raise your right hand up above. See your palm and send it to your left by placing it underneath your chest. Hold on for a few seconds. Exhale. Release your hands. Head lays on the floor. Thighs are straight and left hand maintains the balance. Slowly raise to change the hands now to a tabletop and raise your left hand up above. See your palm and send it to your right by placing it underneath your chest. Hold on for a few seconds. Your breathing is normal. Head laying on the floor. Feel the gentle pain and sensations running through your body. Now release your both hands. Inhale, get back to a tabletop. Exhale and to a downward facing dog. Find some motion, left knee into the right and right knee into the left. Aim to form a triangle. Inhale, you may gently lift your body by lifting your toes up and exhale down. Inhale, toes lifts up and exhale down. Gently pedal. Now gently lower your knees to a tabletop and sit down, spreading legs to the front. Adjust and bend your knees. Place your forehead in between the knees and hands cures the shins.
You may adjust yourself, hold on for some time. Feel the stretches in your upper body and especially on your legs. Be gentle to yourself. Feel the gentle stretches that activates and flexes your muscles. Raise slowly, your body is straight. Now bring your feet towards your pelvis as close as you can and join them, holding with your hands to form a winged butterfly. You may gently massage your legs. Breathing is normal. This opens up your hips, relaxes your back, which may have been intense while standing and working for a long time. Feel the sensations running throughout your body. Observe your thoughts come and go. Be neutral to your thoughts running around. Now place your hands on the back supporting your body. Pull your legs towards the body, bent at the knees. Adjust and inhale. Exhale slowly. Push your knees to the right while your hips is the pivot, and do the same in the left side as well, as if your legs are acting as a wiper. You can feel the stretches in the arms, thighs, legs, and the abdomen. Enjoy the sensations and be fully conscious at the moment. Come to the center. Now lay down on your back, inhale, and use your both hands to bring your both knees to the chest. Adjust yourself. Exhale, release your left leg to be straight, slightly above the floor, while right knee is still being pulled to the chest. Hold. Feel the stretches in your core muscles. Now exhale to release your leg and inhale to pull your another leg towards your chest. Find some motion to it. You may do this for a couple of more times. And now get back to the center, where your knees are bent and the legs are pulled to your body. Now place your right foot on your left thigh and gently raise your left leg. You may want to support the left leg by supporting on the thigh. Hold on to this pose for some time. You may adjust and find some motion while doing so. Gently release your legs and change the legs. Place your left foot on your right thigh. Gently raise your right leg. You may want to support the right leg by supporting on the thigh. Hold on to this pose for some time. You may adjust yourself. Your eyes are closed and conscious of your body and mind while doing so. After some time into it, release your both legs to lay on the floor. Adjust yourself. Pull your hands above your head. Your hands are stretched as much as you can and find some motion on your wrists and your feet as well. Fists open and close. Foot stretches up and down. Continue this for a while. Feel the stretches and sensations running around. This should help you ease the pain that may have been there after standing and working for long. Now release your hands to be spread on your side and be on Savasana. Your eyes are closed and body tries to relax. Hands and legs are spread at ease. We are trying to rest in an active way. By being conscious about each part of our body, observe the normal breath, how they come and go, the gentle stretches in your muscles or tiny droplets, sweat rolling over or relaxing mind. You may realize your heartbeat. You may be here for 5 to 10 minutes. It is one of the best way to relax your body and mind. Let us end today's session by welcoming positivity to our body and mind, bringing in the strength and flexibility that we all require for our day-to-day functioning, and throwing away all the physical and mental stress, tensions, and anxiety as a byproduct. Allow yourself for these moments to enjoy the experience that will help you use your physical and mental strength. Your entire body is in rest. Focus on your relaxation, your breath, letting go of all thoughts. Our goal is to be healthy and foster happiness around us. Namaste.
Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. I hope this practice will help you to feel better both physically and mentally. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.